In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create top navigation bar in Softr. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent top menu that links to your pages, supports drop-downs, and can be applied across your site. Start inside Softr Studio and open the Pages menu. Navigation in Softr is tied to your pages, so make sure you have at least one page set up, like a home page. If you're starting from scratch, create that first so your navigation has somewhere to point. Next, add your navigation area by placing a header block on a page, typically your home or your primary layout page. Softr offers several header templates. Pick one that suits your brand and leaves room for your links. In the header's navigation settings, choose the layout type. Select Top Nav for a horizontal menu along the top of the page. If you also plan to use a vertical menu later, you can enable Side Nav as well, but we'll focus on the top navigation here. Now configure your branding. In the logo field of the header block, upload your logo or choose one from your library. Aim for a clear, high-resolution file. Transparent backgrounds often look best. Adjust the size and alignment so it looks balanced with your menu items. Add your menu items under links, or use buttons if you prefer a call-to-action style for key items like sign up. Click Add to create each navigation item. For each one, choose where it should go. Link to an internal page in your Softr project, an external URL, or scroll to a specific section on the current page for a one-page layout. Keep labels short and descriptive, and arrange the order to reflect importance, with primary pages up front. If you have many pages, organize them with a drop-down. Group related links into a category to create a sub-menu. This keeps the top bar tidy and makes it easier for visitors to find content. Aim for clear category names and avoid overly deep nesting to keep navigation quick. Finally, apply this navigation across your site. Open Page Settings for each page and use the navigation drop-down to choose which header to display or disable navigation if a page needs to be distraction-free. This lets you reuse one navigation globally or show different nav bars on different pages when needed. Before wrapping up, preview your site to confirm links work, drop-downs behave as expected, and the top nav looks good on mobile. If anything feels cramped, adjust spacing and alignment in the header settings. That's it. You now have a polished top navigation bar in Softr.